Ted Lawrence was an artist. He painted very modern pictures, blue squares and yellow circles, red sheep and green sky. Last December, there was an exhibition of his pictures in our village hall for a week, and there was a big book on a table at the door. In it, there were 2 questions. Why did you come to this exhibition? Which of the pictures did you like? Every evening, Ted went to the book and read the visitors' answers. The weather was not very good, and on the Saturday it rained a lot. That evening, Ted looked at the book at the door of the hall and read one lady's answers to his 2 questions. They were, "I did not like any of the pictures. I came into the exhibition because it began raining and I didn't have an umbrella."